Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something really exciting that's been on my mind. I launched Silver Dot Media in 14 days. Idea to first paying client. Here's everything I did. Faith without works is dead. I'll show you my faith by what I do. No business degree, age 53, just a 14-day planner and Claude AI. Day 1, filed New Mexico LLC, cost $50. Use state website. Days 2 and 3, got my EIN and opened a business bank account. On days 4 and 5, I built my service packages. Coaching, implementation, done for you. Day 6, I found out I needed Georgia foreign qualification to operate legally. First, get certificate of good standing from New Mexico. $25, 3 days wait. Days 7 and 8, built pricing tiers while waiting on paperwork. Tools are Claude Pro, $20 monthly, HubSpot free, Google Workspace, $12. Total monthly subscriptions, $44. That's it for software. Day 9, almost quit. No clients yet. Imposter syndrome hit hard. Day 10, showed my first AI video in my weekly class. Before class ended, first client, can you do that for my business? Second client, same day. Both paid deposits that afternoon. Day 10, mistake 1, almost skipped foreign qualification. Would have been illegal in Georgia. Mistake 2, wasted 2 days on a perfect website. Clients came from conversation. Mistake 3, overthought pricing. My planner had frameworks, just needed to use them. Days 11 and 12, onboarded both clients, built custom Claude projects for each. Day 13, published my book on Lulu, 15% to fresh wind recovery. Day 14, Georgia approved, fully legal, 2 clients, published author, 14 days. Total investment, under $500. New Mexico, Georgia, Claude, Google. That's it. Revenue day 14, $800 in deposits. Profitable in 2 weeks. The 14-day planner guided every step. Tasks, legal stuff, pricing, templates. I didn't wait for perfect. Built in public. Showed my process. Faith with works. The planner killed decision paralysis. Every morning, exactly what to do next. Works for coaches, consultants, creatives. Anyone with skills people pay for. Today, Silver Dot Media serves clients across industries. All faith-driven business solutions. Today, I am opening 10 beta spots. Full planner, knowledge-based, direct access to me. Beta cost, just $20 for Claude Pro setup, sign NDA, and non-compete. Comment start for beta. Comment questions if you need clarity. Then DM me. Not ready? Full pricing available. Still way cheaper than hiring a consultant. Idea to profitable in 14 days. I am not special. I just had a system and worked it. Faith without works is dead. This is faith in action. Comment start. Let's build.